treating bush honeysuckle. Non-native, invasive bush honeysuckle. Wondering what the heck's wrong with it. You know, the flowers smell so good and the berries, blah, blah, blah. Berries are not good for migrating birds. The only thing about honeysuckle that's good in any way is the smell. And still, it's not good enough to compensate for what I'm about to show you. So it looks like a lush green area, right? Woohoo! But you see, all of this is all either honeysuckle or autumn olive. Alright, so let's take a closer look and show you what's going on here. So you go up into the layer, right, where all this honeysuckle is. There's a honeysuckle branch, or a stem. Look at how dead the ground is. See that? There's absolutely no native species growing in this soil. I mean, you might get a poison ivy or two, but you can see how far back that goes. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going with nothing on that floor, on that forest floor. And it's because your canopy of honeysuckle crowds out the sunshine. They get started earlier in spring than our native species do, so they shade the ground before our native species get a chance to start. Hence, you have monocultures of honeysuckle. And when you have an area as big around as 8 feet diameter to 12 feet diameter with nothing growing underneath it, bush after bush after bush after bush after bush, guess what? You have no native species growing underneath it for quite possibly acres. This is why we do what we do. Honeysuckle is evil. We need our native Ohio species back for our birds, for our mammals, for our pollinators, most importantly. Thanks for your time.